Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to first of all say, for those of you that are visiting the first time, welcome. Welcome to the Informed Side. I also want to encourage you, if you would, to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap on that little bell for the notification so you get all the notifications whenever I upload any information or I decide to go live, which I'm going to be doing probably in the next few days or so. But let me go ahead and get some housekeeping out of the way. My name is Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach. People always ask me, what do you mean when you say home-based business tax coach and wealth coach? Well, what that means, guys, is look, I have been so fortunate enough to be able to get educated directly from the IRS how to teach individuals legally, ethically, and morally how to reduce taxation. Okay, that means take on more money out of your paycheck, more money out of the the income maybe you're getting through retirement, but how to legally, ethically, guys, reduce your taxes. And believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, the government actually wants you to maximize the benefits to reduce your taxes to their legal minimum. Don't let anybody tell you differently, okay? Don't let anybody make you believe that the United States government needs your federal tax dollars to operate, okay? Now, this is not what this video is about, but, someone asked me that question down in one of the comments, and I wanted to just share that, okay? So if you want to learn more about that, again, I'm approaching 30 years of teaching this information. I'm one of the only people that teach it directly from the IRS. No, I am not a CPA. I am not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I give financial education. Listen to this, with the documentation, okay? I don't give you my advice. I don't give you my opinion, right? I don't give you, my little spin on it. I take you directly to the source. So when I say something, if I say, that you can get a tax deduction for this, you can put a stamp on it that I can take you directly to my friends over at the IRS, www.irs.gov, and I will show it to you in black and white, okay? And so with that being said, guys, again, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and if you would, hit the like button. It'll help the channel. It'll help me build this channel bigger so I'm able to spend a lot more time educating the masses. What I've been doing over the last 30 years, guys, my wife and I, educating the masses on the information that the school system has been forbidden to teach, okay? Now, with that being said, guys, I've got to tell you about this Sofi Bank. Now, I posted a video about it the other day, okay? And over the last week, I have learned so much more. I don't want this to sound salesy, okay? I don't want this to sound like a sales pitch. I'm going to tell you, in my personal opinion, if you do not have a SoFi account, you're literally burning your money. You may as well throw some money in a barbecue pit and burn it, okay? Let me tell you, let me give you, the reason why I said that. I'm going to give you the rundown of how my experience was and where we are today here on January the 9th, 2024, because it's exciting, okay? So, and I wrote down 10 reasons why, okay? And they're not in any particular order, okay? And trust and believe me, it's not even the completion of the list, okay? I'm mind-blowing. I am mind-blown by this bank. I was excited about, getting the free $25. We'll talk about that. And having the ability to earn referral bonuses, because now it established another home-based business for myself, which does what? Allow me now to have more tax write-offs. I'll talk a little bit about that at the end, okay? But here's been my experience, okay? I opened up my account, okay? I received $25 absolutely free within about 15-20 minutes. I signed up my wife, received a $75 referral for doing that, okay, a bonus. My wife received $25. So I want you to watch what happened. Okay, someone shared the link with me. I signed up for the account. I got a free $25. Okay, let me stop saying K. I got to get rid of that. I signed up my wife, or my wife opened up an account. I got a $75 referral bonus instantly, and she got $25. Within an hour, Sofi Bank gave us, inside of our household, between me and my wife, $125 free. Okay, now I want to talk about. So there was one more thing that happened, and so I had already said that I wanted to find myself a brokerage account. Okay, and I'm going to talk a lot about brokerage account and why you got to have a brokerage account. Okay, don't be in fear of investing in yourself, investing for yourself without having to give your money to some third-party institution. Okay, if you want to have a 401k, that's fine. If you want to have an IRA, that's fine. But everybody in America should have a brokerage account. In fact, if you have a 401k and a IRA, you're already investing in the stock market. Okay, let me get back on track, because I am really excited about this particular bank. So here's what happened. So my wife and I together, we got $125. But I want to talk about my account. So I got my $25 for simply opening up the checking and the savings account. Okay. They also gave me $25 in free stock. One of the stocks, just one of these stocks, and I'm not even going to give you the name of the stock. If you want to know the name of the stock, comment below this video and ask me, and I'll show you the facts. I believe that documentation beats conversation. One of these stocks, now remember, this is free money. $25 from opening the account, $25 in free stock. One of these stocks, currently today on January the 9th, 2024, is already up in 1 week, 13%. I'm gonna let that marinate. 13%. Okay? That free money in that brokerage account has already grown over 15%. And it's only been like 2.5 weeks. Documentation beats conversation. If you want to know those two stocks, if you want to know which ones I'm talking about so you can verify that I'm not capping, baby, comment below. I'll put it in the comments. Okay, let me give you the 10 reasons I think everybody, and again, they're not in any particular order, and they're not even it. There's more. You seen those commercials? But wait, there's more. There's more opportunity with this particular bank. Okay, here we go. Number one, free checking account. Okay, that pays you 0.50% on your checking account. Check with your bank and see what they're paying you to have your money in your checking account. Okay, no minimums, no maximums. Okay, number two, your savings account. You can earn 1.20% without having any direct deposit tied to your savings account. However, if you tie a direct deposit of any amount to that account, any amount, could be $5, $10, $50, $100, whatever, your percentage, your interest percentage on the year is 4.6%. No minimums, no maximums. Okay. Number three, not four, number three. Okay. My favorite, one of my favorites. Okay. You have a brokerage account tied to your banking account. Okay. It's not tied to your checking and your savings. Excuse me. But within the same system, you have a brokerage account. A click of a button. And they're going to give you free stock when you open it up. Number four, you can earn just by logging into the app. Let me say that again. You can actually earn money just by logging in to the app. It blew my mind. I saw $5 there, and I was like, where does $5 come from? They're actually paying me to position myself to have my money grow. Guys, I'm telling you, it is phenomenal. Okay, number six, you can earn a $75 referral bonus when you refer somebody to this great bank. Here's the downside of that. You can only earn $10,000 in a calendar year. I'm showing people how to eliminate 100% of the income taxes legally, ethically, and morally directly from the IRS on that $10,000. Don't believe it? Comment below or go to my email and send me an email. I love educating people. Let me keep going. Number 7. What was number 7? Hold on a minute. Number 7. You can actually earn $75 in free stock, and the person you refer will get $50 in free stock. I'm telling you, this bank is out of control. Number 8. You can, what did I put here? Oh, because of the referral program, you guys know I'm a tax coach, right? I'm wired totally different than some people. Because of the referral program, you now, if you elect to just share, regardless of whether or not people see it or not, right? Just share, right? You now open yourself up to be considered a business, legally, ethically, and morally. You don't need a business license. You don't need an LLC. You don't need a corporation. You don't need any of that, okay? You open yourself up to hundreds and even thousands of dollars in tax savings because you now are using, let's say, your cell phone. You're using your computer at home. You're using a room inside of your house, maybe a space. Guys, I'm telling you, you can reduce your taxes by hundreds and even thousands of dollars as you simply share this information. Okay, the IRS says a business is an activity with the intent to make a profit. Well, you have an intent every time you're sharing this great information. Number 9, it tracks your credit score. On the same app, it tracks your credit score. And number 10, it tracks all of your spending. Okay, it tracks all of your spending, not only in your checking and savings with SoFi. It tracks my other bank that I connected to SoFi and all of the spending. I'm telling you, the bank is absolutely amazing. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with this. It's 2024. Do you want more, right? Do you want more money? Do you want more time freedom? Do you want more financial stability? Do you want more freedom? Because at the end of the day, that's what it all comes down to, guys. Freedom, time freedom, okay? Everybody in America needs to have a brokerage account. There's some things I got to share with you guys, that especially those of you that have a 401k or an IRA account. When I show you the disadvantages of those, I'm not telling you to get rid of them, but you should be aware. You should be educated. When I show you the financial disadvantage of those versus a brokerage account, you're going to be totally blown away. I'm telling you right now, it's probably costing you tens of thousands of dollars over the course of having that account. So what do I want you to do? First of all, I want you to don't procrastinate. It's absolutely free. It's absolutely free, okay? It requires $50 if you want to get your $25 instantly, $50 by way of funding your checking account, just like every other bank in America requires, right? And you can move the $50 back to where you got it from. This is a real bank that owns the stadium where my Rams play here, right? They look, this is not a game. This is not something to get rich quick. But if you're somebody that says, Mark, I can use an extra $500 a month, I would love to make an extra $500 a month. If you're a married couple, I'm going to show you how to put $125 in your pocket in a matter of an hour. But when you think about the fact that the free money they gave me, just one of those stocks right now is up over 13%. Both of them combined in 1 week, my total portfolio is up over 15%. Some people don't see 15% in a year. What are you waiting for? So I'm going to put some links down in the description of this video. Okay, I'm working on a website to make it a little easier for you guys. I'm also going to put my email there. Look, guys, tax time is coming up. Don't wait until the end of February or April to determine whether or not you're in trouble or not, because there are some things that you can do if by chance you haven't paid enough taxes in, or you would like to reduce what you're going to lose come April 15th, but you got to make that decision before April 15th, right? And so if you would like to consider a tax consultation, shoot me an email, okay? The other part is, guys, you got to put yourself in position right now to pay the least amount of taxes in 2024. Many of you are not in position right now, or have no idea how much taxes you're going to pay in 2024 because you don't know what you don't know. So shoot me an email. I'll also put a link down below to our tax course. I'm gonna toot my own horn. I know I have the most simplistic, most educational tax course out there, because everything I teach you directly from the IRS. And more than that, guys, if you don't have a tax professional that thinks outside of the box, my only thought is, how can I help you reduce your taxes? Most CPAs want to tell you all these traditional ways to get your taxes deferred. No, I want to get them eliminated. So guys, look, I hope you found some value in this. Remember, hit the subscription button if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Hit the little bell so you're notified when I drop some information or come on live. Share this information and hit the thumbs if you haven't hit it already on your way out. With that being said, guys, my name is Mark Paris, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach, saying to you, my friend, do you want more in 2024? If you don't have a brokerage account and you don't understand the power of having a brokerage account, you want to definitely email me and say, I would like more information. And get that SoFi account, guys. It's free money. What are you waiting for? We'll see you guys on the next video.